So we came to an end, and I'd like to thank all participants to share their knowledge, expertise, research results, and solution proposals with us. There is no time for questions, but since we have all the contacts, it would be easy to contact each other for further discussion if needed. At the end, I wish you all a fruitful continuation of the Summerfield School. Goodbye.
Thank you, Dr. Tatiana. Thank you for your long time you have spared, and you have very nicely conducted this session and helped us a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you again. Uh, the participants, we will go off for 15 minutes. So maybe 10 minutes, but after 15 minutes, we have the another session. Thank you, everybody.